Bitcoin, blockchain, Dogecoin, Ethereum, NFTs. The world is buzzing about cryptocurrencies. But what does it all mean? Welcome to the ultimate guide that will transform you from a crypto newbie to a crypto genius. In this video, I'll break down what cryptocurrency is, why it's becoming more important, what I've invested in, and the dark side of it. Imagine a time when there was no money. Let's call this stage 1. The only way to get something you wanted was through barter. I like your horse. How about I trade you my cat? Sorry, Milo, I'd never trade you. The problem? You might not want a cat. Enter currency. Stage 2, coins. Made of precious materials like gold and silver, coins had intrinsic value. Ever wondered why the British currency is called the pound? It's because 1 pound used to be a pound of silver. Suddenly, trading became easier. No need for barter. Coins could be exchanged for anything. Knowing their value was recognized universally. Stage 3 brought us paper money. As banks and governments evolved, we moved from heavy metal coins to lightweight paper. This 10-pound note in the UK? It's actually plastic now, for durability. It's a promise from the Bank of England to pay the bearer £10. Essentially, it's a receipt proving you own a certain amount of money. Stage 4, digital transactions. Technology advanced, and we found even more convenient ways to store and trade value. Today, we mostly use credit cards and online banking. Money isn't about coins, notes, or even cats anymore. It's just entries on a spreadsheet. Buy a music album on Amazon, and it's just your bank updating your balance, and Amazon's bank updating theirs. So where does cryptocurrency fit in? Welcome to Stage 5, the future of exchange. Cryptocurrency is 100% virtual. Think of it as digital assets, with no physical gold, silver, or paper. It's like a giant, universal spreadsheet of transactions, called a ledger. Why is everyone so excited about crypto? For starters, it's decentralized. Imagine a network of computers, each holding a copy of this massive ledger. Ever heard of Bitcoin mining? It's when people use their computers to validate transactions, earning Bitcoin as a reward. There are about 1 million Bitcoin miners worldwide. And this decentralization makes crypto incredibly secure. Here's the magic. If I spend 5 Bitcoins, instead of one bank verifying it, every computer on the network checks if I have enough. If I do, they all update their records. This many copies make it almost impossible to tamper with the system. Try hacking one, and the other 99.9% will spot the discrepancy. It sounds complex, but for many, it's simpler. With internet access, you can use crypto, even if you don't have a traditional bank account. This opens up financial access to millions. Crypto's main perk? No more banks. You can make international payments almost instantly, with no limits, no exchange rates, no interest rates, and minimal transaction fees. Let's dive into cryptography. Cryptocurrencies are secure thanks to cryptography. A key example is blockchain. Blockchain isn't a currency, it's a secure ledger. It organizes transaction data into blocks. Each block contains transaction data, a unique identifier, hash, and the hash of the previous block. If a block is tampered with, its hash changes, invalidating all subsequent blocks. Combined with the decentralized network, it's nearly impossible to fraudulently alter the ledger. You'd need to hack 500,000 computers simultaneously. Crypto investments? People are converting dollars into cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, hoping their value skyrockets. If they do, you can spend or exchange them for more dollars. It's called mooning when a crypto's value shoots up. Here's my portfolio. Disclaimer, not financial advice. I've put 40% in Ethereum, 20% in Polygon, 20% in Cardano, 10% in Cartesi, and 10% in Litecoin. It's been a roller coaster, up and down. Think of it as an optimistic gamble rather than a strategic investment. The only sure investment? This stylish hat. Now, the dark side of crypto. First, its volatility. Crypto prices are highly speculative, driven by news cycles. Elon Musk tweets, and prices plummet. Secondly, acceptance as a payment method is limited. Microsoft, Tesla, and even Burger King have flip-flopped on accepting Bitcoin. Third, environmental concerns. Verifying transactions requires immense computing power and electricity. However, some argue traditional banking uses more electricity, and new, more efficient cryptos are emerging. Fourth, the misconception that crypto is for criminals. Data shows only 0.34% of crypto transactions are criminal, compared to up to 5% of cash transactions. Crypto's quirks? NFTs, non-fungible tokens. By digital ownership of something, like a JPEG. The value? Owning the original digital asset, while others have copies. A Gucci Ghost NFT sold for $3,600. Jack Dorsey's first tweet? Sold for $2.9 million. A digital collage sold for $69 million. And Dogecoin, created as a joke, has made millionaires. The world of crypto is fascinating and ever-changing. Share this video if you found it useful. and help a friend or family member get up to speed. For the best crypto arbitrage trading bot of 2024, click here. I'm Adabra, and this is Verve Vector. See you in the next one.